Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate for kids easy method. Start by warming 1 cup of milk gently, then whisk in 2 tablespoons of cocoa and 1 tablespoon of sugar until smooth. Add a splash of vanilla and a pinch of salt, taste and adjust sweetness, and pour into mugs. Top with mini marshmallows or a safe sprinkle and let cool to a kid-friendly sip temperature before serving. Gather 2 cups of milk or milk alternative, 2 tablespoons cocoa, and 1 tablespoon sugar for each serving, plus vanilla and marshmallows. Use a small saucepan on low heat and a whisk to prevent scorching, and always stir continuously until steam rises but before boiling. Keep a thermometer handy to check the drink is below 140 degrees F for small children, and supervise pouring to avoid spills and burns. Have napkins ready for sticky hands. Quick recommendation: if you like making family drinks, subscribe and like if you're finding this helpful, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are great for storing hot chocolate mix and snacks, keeping prep tidy and lunches spill-free with sturdy lids. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick one up to simplify kitchen prep. Now let's get back to the video. Offer gentle variations like a cinnamon stick stir, a tiny pinch of nutmeg, or a dab of peanut butter for note churn richness, always checking for allergies. For a creamy upgrade, blend in a 1/4 cup of cream or use steamed milk, gently warming to maintain texture. Serve with fun straws or cookie stirrers and teach kids safe sipping habits to prevent burns while they enjoy their special treat, and invite them to help stir.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.